same but the fillet. No money, no honey. Good boy go to Ayodhya, bad boy go to Bangkok.